Hey, do you want to control camera and take photos and videos on your phone from your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini? Stay with us so we can show you how. Just make sure your watch is synced to the app on your phone. This process is slightly different on iOS and Android device. Don't worry, we're going to show you both. If you're using an Android phone, open Zap. Go to your profile. Tap on the device name, scroll down, and then enter Lab. Go to camera settings, and then here, select activate. Accept the pairing request. Now on your watch, from menu to more, to camera remote. And as prompted, open the phone camera first. From here, tap on it to take a photo. You can take video by the same process. Tap on it to start, and when you're done, tap on it again to stop the video. If you're using an iPhone, once you've made sure the app is synced to your watch, you can go straight open the camera first. And you can take photos and videos just like we have shown you. So that's how you can take photos, videos on your phone by Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Let us know how many photos have you clicked from your watch. And please subscribe to our channel before you leave. Thank you for watching.